We assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. This short session is about PostgeSQL DBA training that we offer at our school. We assure you complete practical step-by-step classes from scratch, right from the basics of database and Azure. At our SQL school, we are known for 100% practical step-by-step classes with complete hands-on. In this short session, let's understand the details about our PostgeSQL DBA course. Database. To start with, let's understand what is database. A database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions at all. And we have something called DBMS, Database Management System. Different companies came up with different software products to manage and maintain databases. And one such DBMS in the market, one such database management system, DBMS software in the market, Postgres, a open source environment. No company owns it, it's open source, very robust, very user friendly, very easy to implement and very secure as well. In our classes, we'll start from the basics of Postgres from scratch, right from architecture to security, migration, monitoring, cloud, and we have something called high availability, disaster recovery, and monitoring, upgrades, migration activities. The main benefits of Postgres in our resume from database administration, DBA profile, your database involvement and administration skill set showcasing with a real-time project and common issues and troubleshooting of high availability, monitoring, and data recovery skill set. Showcase open source data management activities from our course and cloud data management activities as well. So let's sell our resume together for a better price with the inclusion of a much trending Postgres technology in our resume. This course is for us. Let's shape our resume carefully. The best SQL DBA, so best PostgeSQL DBA training. Mr. Srinivas will be taking care of these training activities with 14 plus years of experience, expert level activities exclusively on Postgres and MongoDB and other open source database technologies. Mr. Srinivas has complete command and control on the subject. You will see the love and dedication Mr. Srinivas has in his classes right from the demo session till the project class until end of the sessions, end of the course, and 100% real time and practical. And you may plan for complete DBA full stack course that includes Microsoft SQL DBA, Postgres DBA, Oracle and MongoDB, everything bundled together. That is one option. In case you are planning for more experience in your resume, or for now, you can only limit to Postgres with Azure Cloud. Choice is yours. Now let's come to the actual concept, like what we are going to learn in our Postgres DBA course curriculum. Let's get into the actual details here. Let me just open the PDF. So this is a Postgres SQL DBA PDF, and here in this particular course, we have total 2 training options. Number 1, core Postgres SQL DBA course, 6 weeks journey, 1.5 months. Or in case you're planning for a bit of experience in your resume, you may go for the second plan, 8 weeks plan, 1 to 45 chapters, core DBA plus Azure DBA, both. In core DBA, we are going to start right from the basics, right from the installation. First introduction, then we have installation, configurations, clusters, processor memory architecture, database objects and security, tools, various PG, Postgres tools and catalog activities, CRUD operations, and the regular database day-to-day activities, table spaces, backup, restore, advanced backup and restore with required tools and technique strategies. We have multi-version concurrency control, MVCC activities, Database maintenance activities, vacuum. It's all about management. Vacuum is about management, data cleansing and archival process, data analytics, joins, constraints, indexes, performance tuning, data loads, and various native and third-party extensions, high availability, replication, and we have tools and techniques pertaining to disaster recovery and data restore activities. We also have the examples lined up for additional performance tuning with server parameters and partitions, migrations, updates, upgrades, common issues, solutions, and monitoring and reporting, server dashboarding activities. So chapters 1 to 30 are all about core Postgres DBA course. Coming to Azure DBA, we have Azure cloud migrations, right from the fundamentals, benefits of running Azure SQL in Azure compared to on-premises and other cloud. Number 3, SQL database activities of Postgres, specifically in Azure. Number 4, CRUD operations. Number 5, migrations, automations, which are very, very important for our interviews and job work, restores, backups, performance tuning activities, HADR, and data recovery, disaster recovery solutions with PowerShell. Complete practical hands-on classes from scratch by Mr. Srinivas, an awesome, really cool guy, really very, very straightforward and to the point, straight. You can interact with Mr. Srinivas regarding the course, regarding the curriculum, get all your doubts clarified during the live demo session, and then we'll take it from there for the actual classes. And I'll wait for your live demo attendance, interact with the trainer, get all your things clarified, and then we'll start the classes from scratch, right from the basics. Once again, you may opt for only Postgres with Azure or even the combo with other courses as per your resume plan. Any course and any technology, we assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Thank you once again. And signing off now, and we'll meet there in the actual live demo session. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye-bye.